Hey YouTube, welcome to Rhonda's Glam Corner. I'm so excited today because we have a crimping tutorial. So, if you would like to know how it was done, I would like you to sit back, relax, and keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you decided to come spend some time with me today. So I've already installed the wig and I just used my Got To Be spray to install it. And I have a cute little style for us to do today. So let's get started. Okay, so now that I have my part straightened, this weirdness, what I am going to do is crimp the hair today. Yay! Something a little bit different. I'm going to do the middle of the back off camera, and then I'll come back and we'll do the rest of the hair. Hi guys, I'm back. So I did just crimp the middle of the back. There's no need in me showing that because you definitely can't see it. And I just parted the back in 3 sections going this way. Now, let's go ahead and crimp this side. So this is my crimping iron, and it's made by Bedhead. Also, one thing that I like about this crimping iron is that it locks. So you can put it on the hair and you can lock it. And I'll show you guys that. Close to my ear. And then you just lock it. And it'll hold the hair. You see what I just did? That's the reason why I hold the hair here. Just to hold it in tight and make sure all of the hair is in the crimping iron. And just move it down. Lock it. Let it sit for a few moments. And this thing does get pretty hot. Unlock it. But hold it while you're unlocking it. And then move it down. And you can see this thing, that's how hot this thing gets, which is what we need. Now, if you decide to crimp your natural hair, turn the temperature down. I'm just going to go ahead and crimp the rest of the hair. So right now I'm going to do this section of the hair so you guys can get a better look. And then I'm going to go off camera, crimp the rest of the hair, and I'll be back to style this part of it. And I'm combing the hair up this way to make sure that when I crimp it, I get it crimped all the way to here. Look how pretty that is. And I'm not touching it. I'm not combing it out. I'm not doing anything. I'm just going to leave it in hopes that it will set. So I am going to go off camera. I'm going to crimp the rest of the hair and I will be back. Hey guys, so I am back and I did finish crimping the hair off camera. I did a little bit of baby hair as well. You guys have seen me do my baby hair in the past. So I am going to continue with styling the hair. So let's go. So my idea is a half up, half down, but I want a little bit of a bang coming from the front. And we're going to work on our ponytail now. So we do need this crimped as well. Go ahead and crimp that. And I'm going to crimp it as one piece going back. So one thing that I wanted to say about the crimping iron, which I think is pretty important, is that you can crimp it this way or you can crimp it this way. Either way, to me, it looks nice. But what's important is if you start crimping it this way, you should continue crimping it this way because you don't want your crimps going in different directions. I don't know how much sense that makes. I hope it makes sense. But if you start it this way, crimp everything this way. If you start it this way, crimp everything that way. So let's work on this ponytail now. Oh, I almost lost some of the hair. So normally when I do a ponytail, I really don't want my hair too flat. I like a puffy ponytail, but today I am going for the flat look. And a lot of times part of my problem is my hair underneath. My hair is not thick, but it's a lot. So it does give me a little bit of an issue. I'm going to pull a little bit of hair from the back. And just wrap that around the scrunchie. So, next step would be to take your Got To Be spray and spray it on there. And once you spray it, smooth it out. Here. So I am going to crimp these two pieces as well. So this is the end result of this hair tutorial, and I love the way my hair came out. It's so cute. Look at it. And it didn't give me any problems. The crimps, of course, they didn't stay as strong as they were, but it's still cute. It's different. It's different. It's very different. It's really cute though. It's really cute though. And it's still my half up, half down, which is my favorite style. It's my number 2 favorite style. My number 2 favorite style. If you have any questions about this makeup look, it will be the video that I post before this one, and I will put it on the end screen. But get into this here, y'all. It looks so cute. Oh my goodness. So we're coming to that time again where I have to say thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as I always say, stay glamorous. Bye.